Hello Odoers, welcome back to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today we will see how to create the pivot view in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So first of all, I will tell you what is the pivot view. So pivot view shows the tabular and analytical data summaries. It's mostly used for the reporting purposes. You can group the data and compute totals like sum, count, average, etc. So in this video, we will see how to create the pivot view for our custom model mol.mol. So before creating the pivot view, you must have a useful field to add in the pivot view like status, rate field, floor field, date field, etc. So here you can see this is the XML file of the mol.mol object, and here you can see this is the pivot view of mol.mol object. So here I create the record for the pivot view. Here I write unique ID view mol pivot, then write model is equal to ir.ui.view, then write unique name, then add a model for which we want to create the pivot view. So here I add mol.mol object, then write field name is equal to arch type XML, and for creating the pivot view we have to write pivot tag like this. Then we add string mol analysis, and here I define the three field to add in the pivot view. It means the three field add into the row column table. So basically type is equal to row means the state value data came in a row in a pivot table. Now type is equal to col means floor data came in a column in a pivot table. And here type is equal to measure means fields to give the total count like 5 record, 3 record, etc. So now enable the pivot view, we have to add pivot into the action of mol.mol object. So here I add pivot, then restart the server and upgrade the module and refresh this page. So this is the mol menu of mol.mol object, and here you can see pivot view is added into the mol object. So now I click on this pivot view. So here based on the float or integer field, it automatically write this field into the measure section. So here we added type is equal to row into the state field, so the status came in a row format. Here we add type is equal to col into the floor field, so you can see the floor data came in a column. So here from the measure section you can set different fields and you can see table of that records. You can also set the custom group from here. So by the pivot view you can see the data in a row and column format, so you can easily summarize the data. So this is how you can create the pivot view in Odoo.
If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.